In the last 2 weeks, 45 students and staff members in the Emmett School District have had to quarantine due to COVID. Our education reporter Jessica Taylor shows how the school district is working to limit the spread of the virus.
The Emmett School District has been in 5-day face-to-face instruction since September. Despite the advantages Superintendent Craig Woods says comes with kids being back in the classroom, COVID is still a concern.
We look at close contact, we send them home. Our policy is they're quarantined for 5 days. If they're not showing symptoms and they want to get tested, they can test at that point. If they're negative, then they can return to school with mask and temperature checks daily.
Emmett School District partnered with Crush the Curve to train every school nurse on administering COVID tests.
Each of our nurses went down. They were trained by the Crush the Curve staffing. We've been allowed to do the testing. We do the testing at each of our schools. The tests are then sent off to the labs.
Governor Little announced over 500,000 rapid antigen tests for the schools in Idaho at the beginning of October. As of Wednesday, Central District Health says the tests have begun to roll out and 5 locations have been selected. The benefits of school testing already apparent to the Emmett School District.
We had a kind of a quarantine at one of our elementaries, the 22 students. I think we had, I know we had over a majority of them came up, were tested. Those results came back within approximately 24 hours.
The district also preparing for flu season. As with students in quarantine, teachers upload their lessons online for students who need to stay at home if they're sick.
If your child is ill, please keep them at home. We'd much rather them stay home, miss a day of school. We'll make up the work. We'll help them with that.
Jessica Taylor, Idaho News 6.
Central District Health also says they received instructions on testing for students and educators at Albertsons. School administrators were expected to get those instructions Wednesday. Next week, Jessica will check in with Crush the Curve for more on their work with Idaho schools.